wealth of knowledge on YouTube about making videos. At the same time, there's so many, it can be really overwhelming. YouTube coaches commonly say that you don't need much to get started, just some daylight and an iPhone. They also say that video quality is not that important, that it's all about watch time and not 1,000 subscribers. Large channels have filming sets and teams of people to assist in production and management. Of course, there will be a noticeable difference in the video quality of those videos versus someone that's just starting out. I'm not going to put pressure on myself to measure up to those channels, and you shouldn't either. I wanted to get just a little bit ahead because even though I am by a window with a southern exposure, the lighting is still not that great. So I went ahead and I ordered a mini ring light, a 10-inch ring light, and a stand, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you. So this is from iOgrapher. It is an iOgrapher mini ring light. This attaches to your iPhone. It has a built-in battery and a charging port and 3 light degree adjustments. This is what it looks like, and it comes with a charging cable. Next is the 10-inch full size. So items that are included with this one is a USB charging cable, the actual ring light, an iPhone holder, a tripod, a ball head adapter, and a Bluetooth remote. So this is the main part, this is the ring light, a little tripod. See if I can figure this out. It's a fairly straightforward setup. So this is adjustable. You can set the angle. Here's a cute little remote. Okay, so it says that it extends up to 62 inches and it compacts to 21.5 inches. And it says that it's 1.25 pounds. It's pretty lightweight. Let's see if I can figure this out. Yep. And it's the same concept with as the mini tripod. So this loosens it, and then you can tighten. And this allows you to expand the base to get more stability. Now that I have my lighting in order, hopefully the next video is going to be much better.